Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's get started with the social champ. So social champ is a automate social media management that helps you save times and maximize your ROI. So social champ uses an AI to manage your scheduling posts, even content ideas, and also try the social media management tools now and help you save time to focus on what matter most and growing your business on the social media account. So you can get the best version of this website, start for free, and also book a demo. So just to get it to book a demo, just click at that part of the screen which is book a demo, click on it, then take you down to the demo part of the account where you can just simply practice this on the demo account. Then you have a start free. So there's a free plan for this website. So let's go to the pricing just to get it, just to have access to the plan of this website, because each and every social media management tools has their pricing plan for each of their services. So let's get started. Let's check for the social champ price list for services. Takes into three categories. We have the starter, we have the most popular, then we have the enterprise, and their pricing range is based on yearly and a monthly. So if you want to know the monthly plan for how much money you're going to pay for a monthly plan, just click on the month, and this is switch to the monthly payment. So if you want to start as a starter, you can pay like $5,000, which is the amount of money you're going to pay for the starter, and you can get pay this per month. You can say $5 per month, which is absolutely cool, right? So, and you also get access to 7 days free trial. Pay for this, and here are the couple of things that you start to gain as you paid for this plan. You gain access to unlimited post scheduling, one users, one workplace, analytics and reporting. You also get access to social inbox, post ads, email and chat support, but only unlimited, which is unlimited plan, and the most popular plan that every users will love to go for, which is about $9 per month, and one social media account with a build monthly. Then you get access to a lot of these. You also have access to 7 day free trials. Then after that, what's induced, you get access to unlimited post scheduling, unlimited users, unlimited workspace, advanced analytics and reports. Then you get access to social media inbox, post ads, priority emails and chat support. Then also you get access to post approval system, client management and social listening, and also a competitive analysis. Then on the custom, the price is now revealed. So for you to get access to this custom, maybe you have to reach out to the customer care services, or probably that will have to be discussed with your customer care services. But before you can get that, I guess you must have to pay for this, which is the most popular plan. This is for custom enterprise. So if you want to bid for this, just these are the wide range of tools that it stands to get, which is super awesome. So the free part is 15 scheduled posts and 3 social accounts for only one user, and that's for free. So that is the price, the price tag for this particular platform. So let's get started. Let's go back to so here are the key inbuilt features about this website, which makes this website most trusted by businesses, which is the publish. So this platform offer one dashboard. This dashboard get access to tools that combine everything you need, which is workspace, integration drafts, a quiz, and the repeat posting and auto RSS, champ AI, and suit, and a lot more like that. Get access to this as well, which is the calendar. So on the calendar, again, you get access to synchronize, schedule, socialize, so which help you manage your content in a grid view with an intuitive drag and drop features with their social media management platform. You can create and edit or reschedule dates, filters, and even preview your post. You also get access to the analytics, so analyze trends and amplify your connection. So on their social media management tools let you track performance of all your posts on all your platforms. You can also download presentations, ready report in PDF or PPT format. It depends on how you want it. You also get access to agreement, which click, connect, converse. So manage messages, comment, reviews, and mention from a centralized inbox. Save time, and keep your audience engaged. You also get a cool access, which is also a social listening, which makes your work super cool. Listening and track your response. Actively monitor the online chapters surrounding your business to gain insight into your customers' sentiment and industry trends, and also potential opportunities, which makes the work super cool. You also gain a full access to most explore all features. So under this most explore features, you get access to workflow integration, the AI assistance will help you keep which the AI keeps getting better as so your workflow does too. And a lot more like that. You get access to intuitive, easy to use. And what makes this website the best out of the best is because you get access to intuitive and easy to use. You also get a top tier customer support, a cost efficient, and a lot more like that. So let's go back to so that's what you a lot of things that you need to know about this website. It is cool and I love it. Yeah. And also a lot of products is listed under their features. Like I said earlier, because get access to Champ AI suite, competitor analysis, the social media, the social listening, the analytics, calendar, and a lot more like that. So let's get started on this website. Just click on start for free to get started on the website. Then click on start for free. Then from here it will take you down to the pricing plan of the website. Then just come down here and click on get started. Once you click on get started, then it will automatically take you to the sign up page where you can easily sign up for this website. You can see www.shishikshop.com/sign up, then package for free. So from here you can choose the kind of package you want from the website. Then you continue with your payment. Then let's get started. So right here, start your free trial. So to get started with the free trial, put your full name. Here's the full name, the emails, password. Let's create a password. Right? Okay, good. I'm trying to create a password again. Okay, good. And phone number. You can just put in your company phone number if you want, or your brand phone number. Then you click on sign up. You can see this is just start your free trial, no credit card required, just to get started. You have 7 days free trial just for you to use this website. Then from then you can now proceed to opt in for your plan. Like we have 3 plan plans. Like I said, we have the starter, we have the most popular, then we also have custom. So for the most advisable and the most popular website plan is just about $9. You just pull in for that, then you have access to the website already, and together with their key core features, which makes it more easier to use and achieve your goals. So currently, don't know what happened to the website. It's kind of not responding. Let's get started. Let's start again. Alright then. Okay. Then click on sign up again. So once you do that, then get access to your website, and from there you can decide to choose the plan and have a check on their service and how they run their services online, which is super cool.